Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to make one of our favorite dish at home called Chicken Paprikash or Paprika Chicken. It's a popular dish of Hungarian origin and one of the most famous variation on the paprikas preparation common to Hungarian tables. Chicken paprikash with chicken pieces cooked with onions and paprika, then served with a little sour cream mixed in. So let's chop up some onions and cut up some chickens. You can use any part of chicken that you like, but I use the thigh. The preparation is done now. It's all ready to cook. Boil some water for the pasta, and another pan I'm gonna put some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. And saute chopped onions and garlic. It smells good already, and I'm gonna add some garlic salt. About 1 tablespoon. And half tablespoon of black pepper. Add some ground paprika, about 1 tablespoon. And I add 2 tablespoons of red pepper, green red pepper for personal preference. Saute all those onions, then add chicken with a little bit of garlic salt, about half tablespoon. Also add Thai chili oil paste for extra spice, which is our favorite. It's gonna give you extra flavor and spices. Now cover it up and cook 20 minutes on medium heat. The water's boiling. I'm gonna add some sea salt and olive oil, about 1 tablespoon. Then cook Italian fettuccine in boiling water, which is black noodle. Stir gently and return to a rapid boil. And cook uncovered. Stirring occasionally for 10 to 12 minutes until desired degree of tenderness is reached. Looks like the chicken is all ready. I'm gonna cut up some Serrano Pepper for better color, give some green colors and extra spicy. Pasta is all ready too, and I'm gonna drain the water. and mix up cooked pasta with the chicken. Add about 4 tablespoons of sour cream. It's gonna give you creamy texture and it thickens the sauce. It's all mixed up together. It looks great and smells are so good. You can just have a pasta itself or you can serve it with your favorite salad. It's so easy to make and it tastes so great. I really wish you liked this video, and if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you.